Hey everybody, it's DJ Jerry here with Shop Time. Today we're going to review the 6-pin pack, or the EZpin pack that Chauvet has. And these are one of the hottest things out right now. They're so hot that the quantities that have been ordered, they are trying to get out as many as they possibly can because these things have been flying off the shelf. So if you do not have your order in on these yet, you better get them in soon. Otherwise, it's going to be a while before you get them. So get your order in. But what I'm going to talk about here is the pin pack, and I also want to talk about the different hardware that comes with it. Now, the purpose for these pieces, this is actually the butterfly clip. This butterfly clip will actually go into a rail. So a lot of people were asking about air rails. This actually slides inside the air rail, and then you just expand it like that, and then you can actually pin, you're going to put your pin right on there. So the magnetic base, as you can see here, it's actually pretty powerful. These lights are they're under ½ a pound a piece, which allows this magnet to actually stick onto the rail pretty strong. The backside here, it's got an on-off switch, so you can turn them on. And the nice thing is, it actually has the IR remote. So once the fixture's on, you can actually turn them off with the remote. Even though the fixture is still on, it's not illuminating. So it kind of gives you an advantage there. But this is actually a rail clip. Butterfly clip is what I call them. And this butterfly clip gives you extra strength in case, you know, sometimes there are plastic rails that you need to go into, so that works good for that. And then also this piece right here can be used for stringing lights. If you have anybody doing any lights through the, like Tuscany lights or bistro lighting, you can actually clamp those right into there. So good thought process on that. And excuse me, the reason they're white is because most of the facilities that I work in and that most people work in, the ceilings are white as well. So this is a nice blend. It looks clean and a nice professional look. So here's the remote that comes with it. It's the regular IRC remote, which works with all the IRC fixtures, and all you have to do is just aim it right there at the center of the light. It'll turn it on, turn it off. Now this remote has a distance of about 60 feet. We actually tested 60 feet, and it does 60 feet pretty easily. So it's a nice range if you're ever doing tall ceilings. I don't know how many of you guys are doing 60-foot ceilings, but just in case if you ever have to, you now can. So with the pack here, you can see there's a charging mechanism. This is just your regular IEC cord. You plug it right into the main pack, and once these are plugged in, this will actually indicate red if it needs to be charged, or if it's charging, and green will mean it's finished charging, and basically it stops charging so you don't burn out your batteries. The beam angle is about 6 degrees, and it's a 2-watt LED, which doesn't seem like much, but the optics in here and the tightness of that beam actually creates a really nice bright light. And we'll show you some of the detailed pictures that we've done with these as well. So now people are asking, okay, how do I get them up into the ceiling? Well, there's a couple different options, and we'll show you those options. So your first option is obviously using a ladder, which by doing so, I'm going to take off that butterfly clip. So I'm using just a magnetic base now. And again, you're going to want to make sure that your fixture's on if you're going to set it, and then make sure you have your remote to turn it off if you need to. So the nice thing is, what's a recommendation? Make sure that whatever the angle that you need, try to have your angle preset, so that way you're not trying to fiddle with it up here. You're not messing around with it up here. So the fixture's on. Okay, there's my spot down on the table. Now, if you don't want to use a ladder, there's actually a really simple way to do the same thing just by using a pole or using a handle from a broom, something simple. Basically, you can see the hole right here in the fixture. What you need to do is just have either like a little nail or something that allows that fixture to actually just sit right inside that hole. And as you put the fixture up, Just keep it steady. And once you get it to the ceiling, it'll clip right on, and it'll clip in place. So again, an easy way to mount. And again, with the IR remote, I can turn it on, I can turn it off. And it's also dimmable by using the plus and minus buttons, as you see here. So I can dim it down, and I can turn it all the way off by using the IR remote. So again, if you guys have questions, please let me know. You can reach me at DJ Jer Shop Time. It's Jeremy at djjershoptime.com. Again, it's Jeremy at djjershoptime.com. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.